Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't hit a blocker. Ensure your account is accessible, SSO credentials are valid, and two-factor authentication is ready. Once done, load the game launcher and sign into the SSO portal using the credentials tied to your Druid character. Make sure your character meets minimum level and has required quest items. These gate progress. Then navigate directly to the training menu and click the initial enroll or unlock action to start the process. Once enrolled, follow the linked quest chain and complete each trial the SSO training lists. These are the core requirements that unlock deeper Druid abilities. As you progress, allocate the needed skill points or resources, pause to confirm costs so you don't overspend on the wrong tree. If the system prompts mid-training confirmations or staged unlocks, accept them promptly and monitor the countdown timers. This ensures the server records your progress and prevents desynchronization between client and SSO backend. To finish, claim the training rewards and immediately assign new abilities so you can test them in a safe area. This confirms the unlock applied to your character. If the abilities don't appear after the server confirms completion, relog or restart the client to force a refresh. If issues persist, clear the game cache, re-authenticate the SSO session, and only then submit a support ticket including your character ID, timestamps, and screenshots. This speeds resolution and explains why the unlock failed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.